What's up, Vlogmas Beauty? So I am back with another video. I'm doing a hair tutorial this time. I'm going to be doing the horseshoe method. So if you want to see how I got this look, please stay tuned. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below. And we're going to jump right into this video. What's up, y'all? So I'm starting out on freshly washed hair. I just took it out my t-shirt. I did go ahead and put some oil on my scalp. That way I can get some blood, everything flowing and circulating. So today we are going to be doing the horseshoe method with flexi rods. Now I know most people use only a little bit, but my flexi rods are a little bit smaller and I want mine to be nice and defined, so I'm going to do smaller sections. Essentially what I'm going to do is go ahead and part my hair into 4 sections. This part I do want it to be nice and straight because I do plan to wear my hair this way. The other ones, I don't want them to be super perfect because I want the curls to blend in nicely. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. Okay, so now that I'm working with like 1/4 section of my hair, what I'm going to do is part that section in half. And I'm going to go ahead and use my leave-in conditioner. I'm going to be using the white peony by Mielle Oragnics. This is like one of my faves. She just changed the packaging on it, the container. And here I have a bunch of my flexi rods. I'm going to use the bigger ones towards the back and then the smaller ones towards the front. So I'm going to take my flexi rod. I'm going to burn it in half. This is the horseshoe method. Get it? Horseshoe. And essentially what I'm going to do, have my horseshoe like this. Break this section in half. And one section of hair is going to go on this side of the horseshoe, and then this section is going to go on this side. So let me go ahead and do it. And I'm going to be using the double twist motion. So I'm twisting my wrist as I go along. And I'm just going to use some Lotta body wrapping lotion just to kind of secure my ends on it. This is the other section. I'm going to go back in with my leave-in. And I don't have anywhere to jump up tomorrow, being as though we're in quarantine. So I don't mind putting more product in. It's going to take longer to dry, but I also don't have anywhere to be, so I'm not pressed for it to dry super quick. But if you are definitely go light on the product so it can dry quicker. And don't forget them roots. They need love too. Alright, now I'm going to split this in half. If you want more defined, you can even split your halves in halves and do one horseshoe here and then another horseshoe on the other part. And I think that is what I'm going to do, just to give me some more definition. Okay y'all, so I'm officially finished. I have about 12 of my hair. This part of my hair was giving me some trouble, so I couldn't exactly do the horseshoe here. I had to just use normal ones because my hair wouldn't wrap around it. This is where my like dead hair is. So this is it. See y'all in the morning. Hey y'all, so it is the next day. They still in my head, they are still intact. Luckily I didn't have any fallout or anything, so hopefully they should be all good. They are fully dried. So I'm going to go ahead and begin taking them out. I'm just going to put some oil on my hands to help the process. Baby, these are so bouncy. Bring me to life. Hold up. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Hold on. Let me go ahead and get some separation going. Alright y'all, look like I got a bang. This is different for me and I love it. Let me go ahead and match my edges real quick. Alright y'all, so what y'all think? this is like short for me and I'm here for it. You can definitely stretch your hair. Look at that. It just go right back. You could put it in the you could band it to kind of stretch it out, or you could use bigger flexi rods in general so that it's just longer. But this is day 1 hair for me. That means tomorrow is going to be bigger and better, and I'm going to love it even more. And I'm not really doing nothing, so day 1 hair for me is okay. But thanks so much for tuning in. If you have any questions, please be sure to leave them down below. Please be sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned because we still going strong for Vlogmas. See you guys in my next video. Bye.